Okay, man, as you all can see what is going on this chart. Okay, this is USD but this moving average strategy is just going to be a kind of development on doing we have been doing before. Okay, now let us build it to exactly where we stop. Moving T or 20, both of them is good. Time frame, no 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 trying to make your own quick profit, you know. So the moving average 20 or 30 is the best for you to look at. Okay, at least we have talked about this one before. All right, so if you want more of this, you need to go and watch the video, moving average, and I have a playlist of moving average strategy. Just watch it. Now let us proceed. Okay, because we have put support resistance tool, okay, on our own chart, and we told you support resistance zone is just a zone whereby you know the price is likely to turn around. Okay, and let us use the support resistance 100 period, and we have to accept alert except the email, which I don't recommend. Your broker might be aware of it and log into your account and begin to destroy your settings. Once you accept all notification, just put it in, and this is what you got of the support resistance 100. This used to be the previous resistance, okay, until it got broken, and now this is the current one, and we believe that the price has pushed it right from here. It has pushed it and create a new one, and then you know maybe we have to wait below 20, 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 below it, and then we consider, okay, 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 okay. Everything you are doing is just right inside this support resistance zone. Trader, a day trader, doing what you are doing. You are not doing anything outside it, guiding you. Now let us zoom this thing to be a little bit. We want this support resistance line, right? Description on any of my on any that I've uploaded in the just I'm showing, 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 just I'm showing. Just tell me which one do you want. I will send it to you. Okay, but through the condition, if the condition is met, I will send it to you. It's just by you buying a super tanks on any of my video. Send me the screenshot that you bought a super tanks. Come to my WhatsApp. Okay, send me screenshot you bought a super tanks, and then I will send you these tools I'm showing on my screen. Now, support resistance zone, the price will definitely turn around and break below this MA20, and we consider a sell, and we get our profit on the next support. Now let us now go and give you something that will tell you that okay, this trend is really going to change, and if it change you will know. Extremum. The period of extremum is 20. At this extremum, what is? It is there, acting as a strong proof to tell you to accept the trend you see. Now, from here to here, what trend do you see when this has really touched, the previous support, and then bounce on the above the MA, right? And then start going. Now, if you are not sure what you see here on the extremum, This extremum, the first one with the green fire under it, you should believe in this trend. It is going up. My extremum, the one going up, is in this type of color. I don't know what color this is, but the one going down is this yellow color. The one going up is this color, which is above the zero level. The one going down is below the zero level, which you all know if you're using MACD, but this is extreme. The first bar that has this green bar, green fire under it, it's a proof that you should accept and enter this trade. How? Pen your order above the candle. That's all. Then you go and target that support resistance zone. This one was coming down, breaks below the MA. If you are not sure, now you wait for this extremum, right? The first one that has this fire under it. Well, you pen your order below it, below the candle, okay? Then you what? You eat your little profit and you are out and you wait and set up, okay? But at least without even waiting for extremum, you can see that the price will break below the MA20, right? Yes. But the extremum only shows you that you should believe in it and trust it. This is why this yellow below the zero level downtrend, believe it. The first bar that has the green fire on it is a trust. This one above the zero level with this one that has the green fire under it, it is your trust. Trust it and trust it as you see. You see, if you take it and master and look at it, this one is uptrend above zero level candle, first candle with the green fire under it. It is uptrend. Trust it. Support resistance zone. This is why your support resistance zone is supposed to have alert, okay? Alert, so that when the price gets there, it will alert you. Look at these moves here, okay? Even if you are not sure if it's going down or going up, look, this one is a downtrend below the zero with the first bar with fire under it. Pen your sell below the candle, and then you are in big profit, okay? Where you target zone. Now, if you want this extremum, if it sounds very good to your ear, that what you are hearing and what you're seeing me display on my own chart showing you, you want it. Now, under the description, read it. You will see how to get to me. But just buy. You can buy a super tanks. If you buy a super tanks, I will send you the file. You see, this file of support resistance. I will send you, and I will send you the one of the income arrow. The income arrow is the one that shows you that the price have already crossed the MA20. That is called income arrow. You see, with all these things I'm showing you, you will never miss this opportunity. That is what I'm showing you. Income arrow. In my last video, I told you that you would go and find what is going to show you if price have crossed. I said, okay, 5 cross 20 income arrow. But you know, the small MA, the 20 is the big MA, which is your own entry proof. Okay, combine this one with the support resistance as a take profit, and then combine it with the extremum as your own entry proof. You are good to go, my friend. Don't show MA lines in your income arrow. Just say alert is on, alert on current is on, in case if there's any changes, right? And then and then what you do, just click OK. You see, before arrow that tells you that we are going up. Now, if you are not going to trust this, right? If you are not going to trust this arrow, then you can wait for your extremum with the first bar above the zero level first bar. Then you can trust this and pen your order above the candle that creates it. That's all. Look at this one. The income arrow, before we ever cross it, has tell you we are going down. All right. If you don't trust it, then you wait for your extremum that brings you the fire under it. Your first bar extremum below zero. You see, if you go and listen to this my video many times, if you like, watch it every day and use it to be judging your own mentality and brain, open your eyes, look what I've shown you, look it every weekend, look it every day. This combination of the support resistance line, income arrow, which shows you ever before there will be the cross, and then the combination of the extremum, the first bar above or below zero. Combine these three together, man. Your day trading will be very, very good. If you want it, buy a super tanks. Contact me on WhatsApp. I will send you the file. You can set your chart like this. You are good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you. Thank you.